Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to hook up a 12 volt switching power supply. And first of all, we're going to start with our AC wiring, and we have on the power supply L for line, N for neutral, and then of course the ground insignia right here. Okay, so this is line, not live, but line, neutral, ground. If your house is wired properly, then you will put black on line, white on neutral, green for ground, and then when you hook those up, make sure they're not touching. You have a good solid connection. Okay, so black line, white neutral, green ground should match up to this, no problem. So what we're going to do is we're just going to plug this in to the wall. As we can see, the power supply light is on. We have, this is a 12 volt unit at 30 amps, so we have positive for these three leads, and these three are negative. Now when you're hooking your stereo amplifier, your LEDs, or whatever you're hooking up to this, just make sure it's unplugged. But before we plug anything to these 12 volt lines, I don't trust these power supplies at what their voltage is set to. I want to take this particular power supply and set it to 13.8. And we're pretty close. That was out of the box, by the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here with our little screwdriver, carefully turn it either clockwise or counterclockwise. In this case, it was counterclockwise. And you do it very soft and slow, because this little variable pot here, they're usually pretty cheap. So we're going to go down to about 13.8. And there we go. That's how you wire up a 12 volt switching power supply. Thanks for watching. Please leave questions or comments down below.